Hi, this is your host Dipali on Intellect Digest, and let's get started with another episode. In this video, I will share quick unboxing and hands-on review of Samsung Galaxy J5 2016 smartphone. Let's start with the box contents. First thing in the box is the phone itself. It comes with a charging adapter with output rating of 5 volts and 1.55 ampere, a USB cable, earphones, and some documentation. On design front, it looks similar to other smartphones in the Galaxy series. It features metal frame along the edges and has a plastic back with brushed metal finish. On the front, there is a 5.2-inch HD display. Above the display, there is a 5 megapixel front camera along with earpiece, some sensors, and front flash. Below the display, there is a physical home button that sits between two touch capacitive buttons which are not backlit. Volume rockers are placed on the left edge. Right edge houses power button. Top edge of the phone is clean. On the bottom edge, you will find primary microphone, charging port, and 3.5mm audio jack. On the rear of the phone, you will find speaker, 13 megapixel primary camera, dual LED flash, and Samsung and 4G branding. The rear panel of the phone is removable and gives access to a removable 3100 mAh battery, two SIM card slots, and a micro SD card slot. Overall build quality of the phone is good. It is a compact and sleek phone which looks great in hand. The speaker of the phone is just average and not the best in this price segment. Now display. The Galaxy J5 2016 features a 5.2-inch HD Super AMOLED display with 720p resolution. The phone doesn't come with auto brightness feature, but it does offer outdoor mode which can be used to increase the brightness of the screen when you are outside. Next is camera department. The Galaxy J5 2016 comes with a 13 megapixel rear camera with dual LED flash. There is also a 5 megapixel front-facing camera accompanied with LED flash. It offers several modes like auto mode, pro mode, continuous shot, beauty face, sports, and more. Both cameras are capable of taking decent shots with good detailing and clarity. Moving on to the hardware and performance department, the Galaxy J5 2016 is powered by a 1.2 GHz quad-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 410 processor paired with 2 GB of RAM. It houses 16 GB of internal memory which can be expanded up to 128 GB using microSD card. It scores around 27,500 points on Antutu benchmarks. The phone handles gaming and multitasking with ease, and we did not face any noticeable lags or heating issues. On software front, it runs Android Marshmallow wrapped under TouchWiz UI. The interface is smooth and responsive. It comes with ultra data saving mode as well as an S-Bike mode that turns the phone into a biker's phone to avoid distraction. On enabling this feature, any call that the user will receive while riding a bike will automatically go on interactive voice response and tell the caller to leave a message as the user is riding the bike. It supports USB OTG, which allows users to watch movies and videos directly using pen drive without transferring them. The Galaxy J5 2016 is backed up by a 3100 mAh battery, which should be good enough to survive for up to 1 day on moderate usage. The Galaxy J5 2016 is loaded with more power and better features compared to its predecessor. It is a compact phone that offers beautiful display, good camera combination, smooth performance, and decent battery life. If you want to buy one for yourself, then we are leaving direct links in the description section below. Please like, share and comment on this video, and do subscribe for more such videos. This is your host Dipali signing off. Thanks for watching and have a great day.